welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexi if you're new here, and I have a fun little weekend for you guys. Starting today, I'm gonna go to the farmers market, flea market, chill, easy, but then we're gonna go to a ball, a queer ball in Kiki, which I've never gone to, but one of my favorite shows is Pose, and I'm so excited to experience like this part of queer culture and just see all the performances and how it's done here in Portugal. So yeah, I'm really excited that I found this event and my roommates are coming, so that'll be later today, and then tomorrow I'll be exploring more of Lisbon, specifically Belém. So yeah, stay tuned for this in this vlog. I was just at home eating lunch, and now we're gonna go to the flea market, and later we'll go to the Kiki. Just kind of doing things by myself. I know one of my last vlogs I stated, you know, some things happen, but you know what? I am confident in myself, able to do this. I've also spent enough time with myself. I'm confident in myself and how I react to situations and everything, and yeah. Independent mama right here. Off to the queer ball. This is the fit and the makeup. Let's go. got back a while ago and I ate quite a bit of food, and we got some food from down the street, some Mediterranean food, and now I'm gonna go to bed. But I want to say that the ball was so much fun. I'm so glad I found that event. I had never been one, and I'm really excited to explore some ball scene back in Los Angeles when I go back and all of that. So it was amazing. There's so many talented people, and they're fucking athletes. They literally were sickening and like nasty on the dance floor. It was amazing. But yeah, I will catch up with you tomorrow when we go down to Belém and do a bit of exploring and stuff down there. Second day on this fun adventure. Today I'm gonna go to the Coach Museum and a couple of thrift stores, maybe the LX Factory, get some pastel natas, and maybe a beach. So a lot of fun plans and things, so let's get going. Yeah. I just finished at the Coach Museum. It was really cool. They didn't have the second and third floors open today, but just the first floor with the progression from like the first, like the oldest carriages that they have all the way through like the new age, like electronic coaches before they switched over to automobiles was really cool. And I'd highly suggest it. I mean, just like history and learning like how things progress and how we end up with the types of vehicles we have today. Super cool. I had a lot of fun, and now it's time for some thrift shopping. I'm gonna meet up with my roommate Mads. We're gonna try and get some pastel natas and go to LX Factory. So yeah, first the vintage store. Back. I got these pants. So fun. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm just gonna chill here. I know I've been saying that I want to film a haul of everything I've gotten, but we're on month 3 and I haven't done it. So I think I'm just gonna do a big separate video of all the stuff I bought in Europe. So stay tuned for that. A lot of cute stuff. I showed you the pants. I'll show you the ring, but I'll do a full, you know, try on haul later. But I got this ring. It matches my stack, so I just have like thumb rings left to get. So yeah. If I continue this vlog, it'll go on to the next day. If not, you'll get an outro from future me. Hello, future Lexi. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to stay tuned for, I think I have 4 more Portugal vlogs. So much fun. I had a lot of fun in Portugal. So I'm glad that I'm editing and getting these out to you. And I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.